Okay guys, we're going to show you how to use Google Drawings to show pulmonary and systemic circulation. So the first thing is go to Google Classroom. There you'll see an assignment labeled pulmonary and systemic circulation. You should have an attached copy of the Google drawing that I've already created for you. So you could simply open it up. That will send you a copy to Google Drawings. The first step, like it says in the assignment, would be to type in each of the text box. So you simply double click just like that, and then using the abbreviations we discussed in class, just like this one, fill that text box, and then you'll see that it's been edited. The next step, after all the text boxes have been filled, is to use lines right here. Click that, and then we'll show the movement of blood using those lines. So one entry into the heart, and the rest of the body will be right here. You can use it one like that without the arrow, or one like this with the arrow. And in the next step, if it looks too thin to you, which kind of does to me, you can increase the size of that, make it stand out a little bit more. And then also, like stated on the assignment, if it is deoxygenated blood, we want you to use a blue color, just like that. Okay, so that would be for deoxygenated blood. Obviously, once it has been reoxygenated by the lungs over here, we want you to change that line color to red to show that it has now been oxygenated and then can be returned back to the heart. Okay, so that's enough to get you guys started. Each of you, once again, has your own copy. First objective, fill all of the text boxes that I provided for you with the appropriate abbreviations as discussed in class. And then the last step would show, using arrows, pulmonary, the heart, and then systemic circulation with the rest of the body. So there you go.